Got to you, it's just better to text or call because your phone goes straight to voicemail for the last couple of years. And you do that on purpose.
I do it on purpose.
Like they say, man, you snooze, you lose. You understand? But we in to win. See, this seller right here, we text, voicemail, and email this dude back to back for weeks, right? He finally responded. Now, like I said before, I had been manually trying to call the dude for like a couple years, maybe. He wouldn't respond, right? Get what? Now, I'm in front of his face, talking numbers. And now we going to the closing table, baby. Shout out to Wham Leaves, man, you know what I'm saying? Just pay attention, you know what I mean? Listen to the conversation. Let's close.
Better to text or call because your phone goes straight to voicemail for the last couple of years. And you do that on purpose.
I do it on purpose. It blocks all spam calls.
I got you.
Because when I was in sales.
But when you seen the text message, then you seen what it was about.
Right through.
Right. So when you seen the text message, you seen what it was about. Then it's like, okay, cool. That makes sense.
If you'll text me.
So if I didn't text you, I probably wouldn't have been able to reach you just trying to call you.
Still, I would look at your voicemail and go, oh, geez, I got to call you back, or I got to text you back.
You know what? You're right, because I called and left a voicemail.
You did.
That's right. Mm-hmm.
You did.
But the phone call wouldn't have worked.
Text goes through, but the way I've got it set for spam calls, they don't go through.
Okay.
Which is good. I mean, if you get bombarded, you could. All you got to do is go in and make one little change, and it'll go straight to voicemail.
Right.
That way, I go down and look at all the voicemails, delete.
Right.
I still, I don't know about you, but I still get all of these incredibly stupid emails.
Wow.
It's like, your account has been suspended. You know,
like the scams.
I don't even have a PayPal account after you suspend it.
Yeah.
My Netflix account, I go, it can't be because I've got a Fire Stick and I'm an Amazon Prime member.
Yeah.
So I got that. You know, it's just a scam, and you can normally tell. And my daughter, who's an internet security executive, big shot in a company, she goes, Dad, if you don't recognize, and if it looks like it's got bad grammar and a bunch of don't open the email.
Right. She telling you right.
Don't open those emails.
Yeah, she telling you right.
And stuff like, I'm 78 years old. I get stuff from a couple of guys saying, well, know what you've been doing, dude. You've been watching porn and watching this. You need to send me $2,500 in Bitcoin, so-and-so.
Yeah, there's so many scams. I see what you mean, yeah. So I'm glad I was able to.
Do you ever get those?
Man, I get all kind of spam through my email.
Oh, it's just unbelievable.
Yeah.
In my junk file, I'll look at it and I go, no, I'm not doing that.
Right.
I'm not. Delete.
Right. So I'm glad I voicemailed. I dropped the voicemail and text so I can get your attention. Cause I was like, man, this guy.
Text is the fastest because I get a word. My phone will go off, and as soon as I get, I got to call you back. Or I got to text you back.
Exactly. Yeah.
When you talk, here they are calling me back again. Let's see if it answers. Hello.
Hi, Don. This is Anna at Twitter Plus.
Yes.
Hey, I'm dealing with a technician. He has about another hour or so left for his ad. Does that work for you? Or did you continue with your schedule?
Well, I'm talking with my real estate buddy right now, and I'm trying to work out.
Hopefully, definitely before the end of February.
Okay.
Yep. That's the goal. Yeah.
Okay. The only time I can't, I'm going on a hunting trip the weekend of the 18th, 19th, through the 22nd. I'm going to be down in South Georgia.
Okay, gotcha.
But any other weekend, like, well, next weekend's the middle of the month.
Right.
I could come back next weekend. I could come back the weekend. Like if it worked out that I could come down and do whatever else we need to do and close on the 17th, 18th.
Okay. And today is the 5th, so I'll talk to John Morris, see how fast he can close between next week and the 18th. So Because sometimes they get a title back really fast and we can close within a week. You know what I mean? So
I wrote the information down. Do you need the account number for the mortgage?
well, the attorney handles all of that. You
Do they need it?
Yeah, they gonna reach out to you.
Okay.
Yeah, they're gonna reach out to you. You probably have to fill out a seller information sheet.
Yeah.
And then that's how they gonna ask you for the loan number and all of that.
Because I brought it with me just in case.
Okay, yeah, you can just give it to
I
them.
got the payoff this morning, effective today.
Okay.
And then I've got the account number.
Uh-huh.
So, and I'll be glad to give it to them when they call me.
Okay, no problem.
What's the name of the law firm? I'll be looking for the name on my.
John Moore.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
We use John Moore and then we use Rand and Associates.
M-O-O-R-E?
Maurer.
Oh, Maurer.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That was close.
Yeah. Yeah, most definitely. Yeah.
And if I find somebody who wants this, would you rather I try to sell it or get it out of here, or could you use it?
I'm talking to my partner. We might be able to use it, or we might be able. I'll let you know ahead of time.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll let you know ahead of time. Yeah.
Because there's only one other piece here that my wife would like to have, and just sentimental value. There's that cedar chest back there in the bedroom to the left, and it's empty. And she said, "Do you think we could possibly get this right here?"
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
So that would be the only other thing that I would even be interested in taking.
Okay. Yeah. No problem.
But I just want to be upfront with you and let you know that's the only. My wife says, "I'd like to have that seat." She calls it a hope chest.
Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. So, as far as my contractor coming back out, it needs to be by tomorrow, sometime this week, before you leave out.
Yeah.
Okay. When you think you're leaving?
Well, I can come back tomorrow. I'm going over and spend tonight in Athens with my daughter.
Okay.
I'm gonna go over and have lunch with her, and then we're going out to dinner. Her and my son-in-law. He's a musician. He's got a gig over in where is it? Birmingham.
Oh, really?
He's leaving first thing tomorrow morning and going to Birmingham. So when I get up and have breakfast with them, I could come back over and spend the day here tomorrow and be here for the contractor and be here for the plumber too.
Gotcha. Yeah. For sure. Okay. So
Would that work for him, you think?
it should. He's supposed to come today, but tomorrow should work. If not,
I was gonna say probably to give me time to get back over here and fight the Atlanta traffic. Probably sometime between 10 and 11 would work.
Okay.
And that's what I'm gonna tell the plumber is, look, what time can you be there tomorrow?
Right.
Just let me know. If you can't make it, you can't make it. Just be honest with
Exactly.
me. Just let me know.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
and after tomorrow, you leaving out of town?
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to North Carolina. We're still digging out. We still got snow on the ground.
Yeah, I know.
We got killed. I mean,
yeah, Carolina got hit hard.
The weekend before, the last time I talked to you, when I had to reschedule. And then the very next weekend, we got a foot of snow.
Yep. Yeah.
And I don't know, you're familiar with Fayetteville.
Yeah, they got hit
too. The Sandhills area, a foot of snow cripples everything.
Yeah, it does.
It shut down all the businesses. We didn't get any mail for 2 or 3 days. I mean, it's just the way it is.
Yeah.
We're not equipped to handle snow there.
Exactly. Yeah, not in Carolina. Absolutely not.
In the mountains, I mean, I went to school up in the mountains.
Really?
They can handle snow really well up in the mountains. They've got snow removal. They've got the right kind of chemicals to put down, and they don't have any issue. But boy, in the Sandhills and down toward the coast, you get snow and ice on the ground, it looks like demolition derby.
Yeah.
People running into each other, thinking that, oh, well, I got 4-wheel drive. I've told them, I said, you know, the only thing 4-wheel drive is good for on ice? When you turn upside down, all 4 of your wheels will keep turning.
Right. Yeah.
Other than that, you had a patch of ice, you ain't going anywhere except the car wants to go.
Exactly.
You don't turn out of ice. You just grin and bear it.
Yeah. So, so you leaving tomorrow? I mean.
So yeah, man. You know, I'm just, very grateful that have a system like Wham Leads to help me get in touch with this seller when we've been struggling to reach this dude for years. Not only took a week or two of AI automation and follow up to reach him, and looks like we're going to the closing table, man. So Y'all stay tuned. Like, subscribe, book a free call with me. If you got any questions about Wham Leads, join the school community. Let's close, baby. Let's eat. Bando.
It'd be great if he could come tomorrow, if he could, because.
Yeah, that's the goal. So.
But I'm not going to reschedule with a plumber until I hear from you.
Okay. Gotcha.
Is that fair?
That's fair.